hire someone with more muscle for this kind of work.
What color do you want?
I understand. Your very livelihood is on the line if you do not distribute all of them. Very well, then I shall take one.
What color do you want?
Well, red, blue, and,
Oh, it's just one per person.
one per person.
I wonder where that kid went with all those balloons. Hey, there he is. He's by himself again. He kept all those balloons for himself? Really? Did I get...